Good morning and welcome to Nonsense Farm. It's the day that we wait for all year, and that is harvest day. So there's no honey to harvest from these guys, but we're going to check all the hives. We're going to do mite washes so I know what I need to do in terms of mite treatment, because the varroa mites are at the highest level in August, which we're coming in on the tails of. So anyway, let's see what we've got. This is what we work for all year long. Look at this. Beautiful, fully capped. This is the good stuff. This is great. Look at this. This is fabulous. All right. So we're going to get this put into our hive butlers. Bees are none too happy when you come and take what they've worked for all year. Okay, we have we have transported all of the frames home, and we're here in one of my garages, and we're going to uncap each frame and then we'll put it in the extractor. This is a new uncapping knife that I bought this year at the National or North America Honeybee Expo. Isn't that beautiful?